Reports are surfacing that the Trump administration is considering a policy that would require certain green card applicants abroad to post a massive bond of up to $100,000 before they can step foot in the United States. What is this proposal? Who does it actually target? And what does it mean for the thousands of families currently caught in immigration backlogs? Let's break down exactly what's going on. According to a recent report by the Wall Street Journal, the U.S. State Department is actively discussing a proposal to tighten legal immigration pathways. The core idea? Requiring specific immigrant visa applicants applying from overseas embassies and consulates to deposit a hefty financial bond. The goal, according to administration discussions, is to ensure that incoming permanent residents are completely financially self-sufficient. While officials have floated a baseline figure of around $100,000, sources familiar with the matter indicate that the final amount could shift depending on an applicant's individual circumstances. Under the current discussions, applicants wouldn't see that money again anytime soon. The proposal suggests the funds would only be refunded after the individual successfully becomes a U.S. citizen, a process that typically takes a minimum of 5 years after arriving. While family members inside the U.S. would be allowed to post the bond on the applicant's behalf, it still represents a massive financial strain. This policy would specifically target people processing their immigrant visas at U.S. consulates abroad, which automatically grant lawful permanent resident status upon entry. For high-skilled professionals from countries like India, who already face staggering backlogs due to per-country employment visa caps, this adds a severe layer of unpredictability. If applicants are directed to finish their final processing steps in their home countries, they could suddenly be hit with a bill equivalent to tens of thousands of dollars. This isn't happening in a vacuum either. The bond proposal is part of a broader America First push to scale back legal immigration pathways. We're seeing parallel proposals to sharply increase naturalization fees, like raising the Form N-400 citizenship application fee up to $1,330, alongside stricter directives forcing temporary visa holders to return home to complete their green card processing, rather than adjusting their status while staying in the U.S. Right now, this program is still under discussion and could potentially launch as a limited pilot before any widespread rollout. But it signals a major shift in how the U.S. approaches legal immigration. What do you think? Is a financial bond a fair way to ensure self-sufficiency, or is it an unfair barrier for qualified immigrants? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more legal and immigration updates, and I'll see you in the next video.